In this video, we will check how we can draw graph on Excel. So here we have data for x-axis and y-axis. This is a random data. Here is the list of months, and here is some random data. For example, the corona cases for the month of January, February, March, up to December. These are the varying cases. So we are going to plot graph for x and y axis with the help of Excel. So in first step, we will come here on insert button, and we will click here. Uh, the written notification is insert line or area chart. We will click on this, and we will click on the first option. Okay, then we can see this. We will drag this on the little right side. Now click right button. Here we can see different options. We will click on select data. After selecting data, we will add data from here. This is the series name. So series name is, for example, these are the only months which are mentioned here. We will select these months, and now this is the next data on other axis. So this is the other axis. So we will select all of the entities from here. When we will put OK button, we can see the graph. Now this is the graph. This is varying from 5 to a maximum value of 70, which can be seen with x and y axis from here. So we can also select data and can add a data from here. Right click, select data. Now we want to see the months on x axis. Okay, we will edit it from here, edit, and we will select months. These are the months which we are requiring on x axis. So here we can see these are the months January, February up to December, and these are the cases, and the maximum cases are 70, and these are the there is a variant graph between 0 to 80. So we can also see different checks. Here we can click. Now this is more easy to visualize here. So 5 cases January, 70 maximum cases in September. So this was the method how we can graph for y and x axis on Excel. Thank you.